Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today we will see how juices helps in skin whitening, type of juices to drink to have a fair skin, and its composition that leads to a skin that almost sets you apart from the rest. Let us begin. It is often said that you are what you eat. This proverb is true. Whatever we eat either wrecks your internal and external body or enhances it. The first sign of a healthy lifestyle is glowing skin. Whatever you eat impacts your skin. If you include healthy products in your diet, you will have bright, acne-free, non-patchy skin. On the other hand, if you consume unhealthy food, your skin will look damaged, dull, dry, and dehydrated. Hence, your diet must include a lot of fruits and vegetables. Now let us see the type of juices to drink to have a fair skin. First comes the orange juice. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C. Anything which is an excellent source of vitamin C is perfect for skin lightening. Skin darkening is caused by melanin, which is removed from the body by this citrus fruit. Oranges help skin whitening, but it also improves digestion, takes care of tanning, controls blackheads, and gives a glowing skin. Next are the grape juice. Grape juice contains collagen, which protects the skin's elasticity and keeps it supple. It also has an ample amount of vitamin A and C. Also, retinol present in them covers skin damage, dark patches, and pigmentation. Potassium in it helps in blood circulation, resulting in radiant skin. Next is the lemon juice. Lemon is considered a super ingredient in all skin lightening products. It not only can be consumed in various forms but can also be applied directly to your skin in the state of face packs to encourage skin lightening. Many other readily available juices such as apple juice, mango juice, watermelon juice, papaya juice, pomegranate juice, tomato juice, etc. contribute to skin lightening. All these protect the skin from developing dark patches, pigmentation, acne, and various other skin problems. Hence, always include healthy juices in your diet to shine out apart from the crowd. Thank you.